Good afternoon, everyone. Tom, aka Nostradamus. I feel like I sat on a Elon Bombus. Yeah, I know that's pretty bad. Normally, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to do. You're looking at my portfolio in the crypto market cap app right now. It's pretty good this morning. Pretty good. Woke up, birds were chirping. It was nice out, nice cool breeze. I didn't sleep too well, but still, nice cool breeze. Felt good. Got my chia mine farming like crazy. We're going to talk about that tomorrow most likely, and I'm also planning to probably do a separate video on that. But that bad boy is a humming like good. It's humming along really good. I even got a Python script going, so that thing's just plotting away. That being said, it's not looking too good for solo chia miners. I don't know how well that's going to work out. The farms are coming. It got delayed, or the pools. Anyway, I woke up, my crypto portfolio was at all-time freaking highs. It was clocking right around 691,000. You can see right here as I scroll around, 690, 691. Pretty happy, man. I'm like, we're going to hit that 700K mark. I was thinking, the $750,000's coming soon. Then it started dipping, but it wasn't that bad. It was dipping, a little bit of a pullback, and then boom, about lunchtime, PST California time. We all know what happened. I mean, if you're in cryptocurrency, you'd have to be dead to the world to not know what's going on right now. I actually had an entire video kind of planned in my head where we were going to talk about how Bitcoin was the best investment on the board right now, and I was going to show you some charts why. And while I still mostly kind of think that, I mean, I don't feel like anyone wants to hear that stuff right now. They just want to, most of you probably just want to hear it's not the end. I'll tell you right now, who knows, man? No one really knows when the end's going to come. It doesn't matter what previous cycles have done. I mean, even if it was to start being the end right now, it'd be a bit of a rhyme, right? The entire market dumps, the entire market relief rallies, and now, maybe it came early and maybe this is the end. And I don't think so. I don't really think, let me pull up the desktop. We got the futures open in about 2-3 minutes. Who the hell cares about the stock market anymore, right? I know I don't. I got a Bitcoin long. It ain't doing too hot. Thank you, Elon. Dude, what's going on with Elon? Does this guy not know that I got plans to buy a Tesla Plaid and he's ruining them? Anyway, I mean, I'm sure most of you know. Meet Kevin talked about it. I've seen a few other videos. There's been a tweet storm. People are going ape shit against Elon Musk. I don't know why he just won't shut up about Bitcoin, to be honest. I don't even know why he's putting so much effort into it. I don't even know if I can easily find... I had it available. Let's see, Elon. All right, so apparently this Mr. Well guy is some kind of scammer that cost a bunch of people money. I don't know the whole story. I don't know if it's true or not. But this guy, Emperor, says right here, can you please post a screenshot of what you replied to? Everyone has CryptoWell blocked for content. You replied to a scammer who ran away with the life savings of 200 innocent people. I have no idea what that is. I really don't. But Mr. Wells said Bitcoiners are going to slap themselves next quarter when they find out Tesla dumped the rest of their Bitcoin holdings. Then, with the amount of hate Elon Musk is getting, I wouldn't blame him. And then Elon Musk replied, indeed. The entire internet and crypto community lost their mind, assuming that Tesla's already sold all their Bitcoin. Now, I gotta tell you, that wouldn't be out of the question, right? Because his tweet before, Muhammad, how you doing? Israel has killed over 150 people as of now in the span. What do you, dude? This is a cryptocurrency channel. That's horrible. But I don't want to talk about that, man. My views on that, I'm anti-war, dude. But shit, bro, he came in with some heavy stuff. Anyway, Elon tweeted earlier in the week that they're not going to sell any more of their Bitcoin. And now people are like, well, we know how Tesla is. Tesla, the last few stock offerings they've done, they're like, at our discretion, we're going to sell it. But they dumped that shit so fast, so hard, the stock market heads are still spinning from it. So the speculation is that they've already sold it. Who cares? Good riddance, man. Like, I love Tesla and I love Elon Musk, but Bitcoin don't need Tesla. Dude, like, what kind of question is that? Seriously. All right, hold on a second. Well, let me answer that for you. I'm gonna make you a moderator. Boom. All right, that guy's gone. Anyway, yeah, man, so who cares? We don't, like, now it could get worse though, like if other corporations come in line, blah blah blah. But look, dude, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Bitcoin is not meant to be a cryptocurrency. It's meant to be a store of value. That's where its value is going to be. As you can see, my stock market had I'm sorry, my portfolio, we'll pull this up in the spreadsheet, was at 680,000. It dipped down to like 590,000. Dude, I was starting to have paper hands, I'm not gonna lie. And even now, Hans, what's happening? Good afternoon, or good late afternoon for you, right? How you doing? So I'm starting to, like, because I have a plan. I have a great plan. I have a great freaking crypto exo plan. The problem is, my plan doesn't include some asshole, and I love Elon, but right now he's being an asshole. Some asshole going on these freaking Twitter wars. And dude, like, Elon, come on, bro. You're costing people money. You probably cost a few people their livelihood. Great, you love Doge. Take Doge. I don't care, bro. I don't care. I have nothing against Doge. Bitcoin is a supply and demand deflationary store of value that is the most secure cryptocurrency on the planet. And it's way greener than fiat, right? These are all things that anyone with any kind of common sense knows. Is it going to get a lot worse? I don't freaking know, dude. Like I said, even before the Elon eclipse, I created that, by the way, the Elon eclipse. That is me. That ain't anyone else, right? Before the Elon eclipse, I said Bitcoin could see 42,000, right? And I did, and I still think it could. I have the red line right here. Actually, this is like 38,000, 41, 42,000 down at the 200. Then Vance, Elon OS not only disrupting, bro, like, I don't know what kind. But you, I'm trying to understand what you're saying there, but that ain't easy. Anyway, so I said Bitcoin could dump before the Elon eclipse. At the end of the day, who cares, man? It's gonna suck. It might get worse. This might take a while. This might extend the duration of how Bitcoin has kind of just been trading sideways for a while. Or it could rally back. It's already rallied back pretty decent. We do have the 40, right around 46.5 is the 20 EMA or the SMA, the 20 or 21 week SMA. It's kind of a very bullish signal. We got around 48,000. The weekly close is coming up in an hour or two, so that all could be, look, at the end of the day, we've heard it all before. Cryptocurrency, the last bull run had like 7 dips of 30+%. Right now, right freaking now, we're at wick to wick, we're at 32%. So we're right on pace. There was actually a tweet I found that was pretty funny. Let me see if I can pull that up real quick. If I knew how to Twitter. This one right here, this one was pretty funny. By Plan B, if you don't know who Plan B is, you probably shouldn't be investing in cryptocurrency. He's considered one of the most accurate Bitcoin, some of the best charts on the market. The Plan B, stock to flow. He has, I have that up on another screen. We can take a look at it. But he has Bitcoin hitting about 300,000. I think this might be the time he's wrong, though it's possible. I've looked at a few charts myself, and it's definitely possible. Another oh no, this is Muhammad. Tesla did not sell. Yeah, bro, I don't know what Tesla did. Like, if they did, who cares? Who knows, man? Who knows? I've tried to think about this a few different ways. It wouldn't surprise me if they sold. They're taking a lot of pressure for it. But I doubt they sold. Who knows though, man? Elon, he might just be like, F everyone, I'm selling. All right, BTCA Bitcoin Anonymous. What are your thoughts on this? I don't even know what that is. Oh, you know what? There was something I wanted to look at. I saw. So this is what Plan B says. How people think it's like to hodl and what it's actually like to hodl. I thought this was pretty funny. I did retweet this. If you're not following me, at Nostradamus on Twitter. There's actually an Elon coin, I think. I don't know. I saw someone. It's probably just a meme thing, but let's see. It is the Fly posted this. I didn't know if it was actually on TradingView. Let's see. He posted this earlier. I found this pretty funny. Elon. Let's see. Oh, that's so small. Elon. Yeah, I thought that might actually be like something on there, but that's probably just some weird thing. Anyway, I thought that was pretty cool too. Let's see. Bought on this and it can reach Bitcoin levels consider. Nah, bro. It's on CoinGecko. Your thoughts, please. All right, let's take a look at this. Dude, it's very, very unlikely that I'm going to think anything of any value of this. Like, there is no replacing Bitcoin. There really isn't. Can you check it out? Nah, bro. Like, I'll tell you right now, I very seriously doubt. What the hell did I go to? I'll show you my portfolio in a minute. Yeah, no problem. All right, so BTCA. I'm not like anyone that claims to be the next Bitcoin. Bitcoin Asia. Yeah, I don't know, man. Are you from Asia? If so, where at? All right, so yeah, no market cap, no trading volume. I don't even like, there's no, I don't even, xt.com. Yeah. Like if you want to, oof, no, bro, I'm not feeling this one at all. Like, I don't even know if I want to click on this site. Is this some kind of freaking ransomware? Next thing you know, my entire computer's telling me you've been cryptoed. Bitcoin Anonymous. All right. Yeah, that's interesting. That stuff. Bitcoin Asia is different. I see what you're saying. Bitcoin Anonymous. There we go. BTCA. Here's the problem. Like, so is this supposed to be some kind of private transaction thing? Man, that stuff is not going to fly with a lot of government. So that's a tough one. Let's take a look. It's a Pancake Swap. That's a decent, like, I don't know, man. It could pick up some steam. What? No market cap. You say it's got the same 18 million. Dude, like, all right, let's get into my portfolio and I'll just do it real quick so I can kind of tell you where I'm going. 95 or about 90% of my portfolio, honestly, like 80 to 85% of my portfolio is Cardano, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. I don't think you can go wrong with those, even though, I mean, I'm not going wrong with Bitcoin, but right now I kind of am. We're seeing it's pushing 46,000 again, which is good. And ooh, Cardano, nice bounce, man. I don't know if anyone picked that dip up around $2. I know a couple of my friends wanted to. Has done, that's a pretty good X. So why has it done a 30X since yesterday is what you got to ask yourself. So real quick, the point I'm trying to make is, man, if you want to throw some money in a very small coin like that, just do it with a very small percentage. Look at any coin. I don't have any coins, I don't think, out of the top 100. And anything, even like, again, after Bitcoin, Cardano, it's like less than 1% of my portfolio. Very, very, like, I bought some one today, Harmony One. I got tired of feeling like I missed out on that one because I like it. They move over to so that's positive. That's why they're pumping 30X. So if you're not in it, I wouldn't go FOMO into it when it's up 30X in one day. Problem is you don't want to chase those pumps like that. If you're already in it, then maybe consider taking some profits, I guess. It's a much higher risk, riskier coin. And at the end of the day, anything that's anonymous is going to be tough. Governments aren't going to have any, like United States ain't going to put up with I mean, like, is it completely hide the transactions? No, the United States ain't going to put up to that. Went from 200, what the, dude, are you kidding me? Like, there must be, there's probably no real volume, right? So be very careful. This shows, I need to switch this to USD. It's point, oh yeah, it's point, what are you talking about? It went from $250.
I'm having trouble.
Oh, shut up. I'm sorry, Siri. I don't want to upset Siri because when the machines rise, I want them to resurrect my dead body. Check out their site. All right, let's do it. Yeah, send crypto anonymous, man. Dude, China ain't gonna put up with that. The United States ain't gonna put up with that. Just like, dude, if you like it and you have conviction in it, man, go ahead. I'm not investing in it. And if you got it before this 30x, congratulations. Just be careful, man. Sorry, meant from 400. Went from 250 to 450. I mean, I'm showing it at like 37 cents. So I don't know that I follow. Anyway, yeah, man, it doesn't. I'm not a fan of anything that's anonymous. Governments aren't going to do anything with it. That's not being said you couldn't make money on it, but I wouldn't. Like, I wouldn't FOMO into it after it just had a crazy pump. Oh, look at this. So it went from 0.005, 0.004. Yeah, it's had a crazy rise since May. What is this? May 15th? Yeah, in one day, it's like it's gone up pretty big. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, bro. I don't know, man. Like, I'm not interested though. So best of luck if you got into it. Anyway, Bitcoin, let's see how we're doing. Again, it had a rough day. Elon Musk won't shut up about it. Apparently this Mr. Well guy. This is the stock to flow guy I was talking about. This is the stock to flow model he does. He's very popular with it. He predicts Bitcoin's going to hit about 300,000 this year. You're welcome, buddy. I've done, my price targets have been around 120 to 160,000. You can see this in the chart. Actually about 130,000 is where I think, you know, it'll hit this and then it'll kind of like go parabolic above it. You got to keep in mind that $300,000 Bitcoin is like a $5-6 trillion market cap. A $500,000 Bitcoin, you gotta be careful with all these people, man. In 2017, when Bitcoin was pushing 20,000, the narrative is it's gonna be 40,000 the next week, but it started crashing. So again, I started getting a little bit paper handy today, and I'm still like, I have my plan and I'm holding strong to it now, and I haven't sold yet, but I gotta start asking myself, should I not be taking like 10 or 20% of what I've done so far off the board? I could take 20% off right now and pretty much 30% would be my initial investment. The rest could be a free ride. I'm going to hold it out for a bit more. I got to tell you, this afternoon has not been a lot of fun. Thank you, Elon, for ruining my day. And I'm sure a lot of other people have had a much worse day. I'd be curious to see if anyone comes along. Be curious to see if anyone comes along in the stream. And if you catch this on replay, post down below in the comments if you did get paper handed. You did panic sell, or if you bought the dip. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up. I really appreciate everyone coming by. Actually, let's take a quick look at the stock market, see how we're doing. The Nasdaq's up 51 points. The futures are up 51 points. E-mini S&P is up 8 points. Bitcoin's down 4,000. Thank you, our Lord and Savior Elon Musk. And gold, what is gold doing? Gold liking when Bitcoin's down. Gold's up a whole $7 an ounce. Yeah, it's nothing big, but gold's been steadily rising up. It had hit below 1,700 here pretty recently, so it's back on the up. Actually, it was below 1,700. Anyway, I'll be back 6:25 a.m. PST tomorrow, 5 minutes before the market opens. Be there, be square. Love you all, and peace.